For over a million of years, our planet has been bombarded with asteroids. They have caused destruction and they have also helped us in many ways. Many astronomers believe asteroids carried water to early Earth, but they're also an ever and present danger. Remember the last time when big asteroids hit us, it caused a mass extinction. 66 million years ago, a devastating asteroid impact wiped out dinosaurs and most other animals. The impact triggered tsunamis that swamped vast weights of coastline. It also caused firestorms that may have reached across the entire planet. And the prospect of such an object crashing on our planet in the near future is a scary one. Asteroids are large rocky bodies that orbit the sun. They range from a few to hundreds of meters in diameter. Fragments of asteroid that survives landing on Earth becomes known as meteorite. Thousands of asteroids whiz past Earth every year. But don't worry, there is a system in place to keep a tab on these planet-killer asteroids. NASA Center for Near-Earth Object Studies constantly keeps an eye on about 28,000 asteroids. Asteroids and comets come passing close to the Earth are tracked using both ground and space-based telescopes. This data is collected by laboratories around the world, including significant contributions from amateur observers. This data is extremely crucial because it helps to make plans in time to prepare for any possible collision. Lack of information about these asteroids can be dangerous, like on the 11th of March 2022, when a small asteroid was discovered just 2 hours before it struck our planet's atmosphere. Now luckily it was a small one and caused no harm. Despite NASA and other agencies' extensive network to track these heavenly objects, there is a big loophole. All these observations are done during the night time when the telescopes can gaze in the dark sky, and in the daytime there is almost negligible observation. But now astronomers at the Pan-STARRS Observatory in the US have found a new technique. So scientists are turning their gaze towards the sun, quite literally so. They are observing the sun 10 to 15 minutes before and after sunrise and sunset. And the results have been surprising. Using this technique of looking in the twilight zone, the Blanco telescope in Chile has found a previously unknown asteroid orbiting the sun. Such searches during twilight towards the sun have found several asteroids near Venus orbit. And now many experts are pressing for a greater study of these objects, since one or more of them could be in a path that leads to them crashing into Earth. With this new asteroid hunting tool, scientists are hoping to find many more such objects which may be lurking in outer space.